Hello guys, welcome back. Here I upload a few important LeetCode solutions. Let's go with today's problem. Best time to buy and sell stock. Say you have an array for which the ith element is the price of a given stock on day I. See the given example. Here the value 7 is a price for some stock on day 1, 1 is on day 2, 5 is a price on day 3, 3 is on day 4 and so on. If you were only permitted to complete at most one transaction, that is buy one and sell one share of the stock, design an algorithm to find the maximum profit. What we need to do here is to purchase a stock and sell it, keeping in mind that we should get maximum profit. In order to get maximum profit, our cost price must be less than the selling price. That is, we need to buy the stock for minimum value and sell it for maximum value. As simple as that. As in this example, we can buy the stock on second day as the price is minimum, that is 1, and we can sell it on day 5 as the price is max. You can say, why can't we sell it for price 7? We can't. That's because day 1 is in the past and we bought our stock on day 2 only. So that's not possible. Okay, let's go now. I will use two variables. First, min price, and I will initialize it with integer.max value. Min price holds our minimum cost price of the stock, and the second one is max profit, which holds our maximum profit, and initialize it with 0. I use one loop to iterate through the array. Here only one for loop is used, only a single pass is needed, so the time complexity will be big of n. Only two variables are used, so the space complexity will be big of 1. Now we'll write an if condition to find our minimum cost price. Just compare every price in the array with the min price. If it's less, just update min price. On the else if condition, we'll calculate the profit. Profit is calculated by selling price minus cost price, and we check if that value is greater than our max profit. If so, update the max profit. Let's trace the example. As in this example, for the first time when I equal to 0, 7 is compared with min price and 7 is less than min price. So update min price with 7. And on next iteration, 1 is compared with min price, that is 1 is less than 7. So update min price with 1. On next iteration, if condition is not executed because 5 is not less than 1. So else if condition is executed. Since we already have our min value, now we try to get the selling price so that we get max profit. We know profit formula is selling price minus cost price, and we check whether it is greater than the max profit. If so, update max profit. Now we are in the third iteration, that is I value is 2 and profit is 5 minus 1, which is 4, and it is greater than max profit. So update max profit with 4. The loop continues and finally it will find our max profit, and we return our max profit value. Let's run the code and see if it works properly. Yeah, it worked. Let's submit. If you like the video, hit the like button, and if you are new here, please subscribe and support. Also check my another playlist where I upload some problems of cracking the coding interview. Thanks for watching this.